Hello，大家好，欢迎来到5分钟汉语。Today we're going to learn initial consonants in Chinese alphabet. Let's have a quick look of these initials. They are the consonants in Chinese alphabet. You should be very familiar to them. And you can find similar sounds in English. Let's start the pronunciations. The first one, bo. Listen and repeat. Bo. It sounds like B in English, boy. The second one, po. It sounds like P in pig, paw. Next, more. It sounds like M in mat, more. For. It sounds like F in fat, for. I put them together because they tend to have the same endings, or, bo, po, more, for. Next one, the. It sounds like D in dog, the. T. It sounds like T in tall, t. N. It sounds like N in nose, n. L. It sounds like L in leg, l. G. It sounds like G in gate, g. K. It sounds like K in kids, k. H. It sounds like H in happy, h. I put these together because they have the same kind of endings, d, t, n, l, g, k, h. Next, G. It sounds like a J in jar, G. Qi. It sounds like CH in chicken, chi. Xi. It sounds like SH in shoe, xi. Once again, they have same kind of endings, e. Listen and repeat, ji, qi, xi. Next one, e. It sounds like double E in leak, e. U. Like beginning sounds in wood, u. Now listen and repeat, e, e, u, u. Next one, z. Similar to endings of birds, z, z, c. Similar to ending of cats, c, c, c. Similar to beginning of song, s, s. Listen and repeat, z, c, s. Okay, now the last four initials. The tongue positioning will be very important. Zh. It sounds like G in merge, zh. Ch. It sounds like CH in chin, sh. Sh. It sounds like SH in shine, sh. R. It sounds like S in measure, r. These four have same kind of endings, r. And they have the same tongue positioning. The tongue is always curved upwards. Now listen and repeat, zh, sh, sh, r. Okay, now we've learned all the initials in Chinese Pinyin. How do you feel? Easy or difficult? Maybe the last two lines are a little bit difficult for you. Don't worry, it will take some practice to correctly pronounce these consonants in Chinese. 你学会了吗？